this sucks. Yeah, this really does suck. Slide for emergency, huh? Slide for emergency, let me see. This is emergency. I don't know the number to 911, so it's gonna be kind of hard. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die before this thing works. Here's a better phone. Look at this thing. This is a way better phone.
This one actually works.
Nope.
Oh, wait, but watch this. Check this out. What?
But what? Wait. Oh my God! It slides. Can you believe that?
You can't press cancel.
Yeah, so no cancel.
You kind of have to.
What now? I don't know what now. Because that will really fix it.
Oh, something happened.
Oh my God! Did you magically fix it? You know, I could just fix it if you take the back off.
Back off.
Yeah.
Break it off?
Yeah, sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Break it off. Go ahead.
Just smack it on that.
Everyone wants to see you break it off. Let's do it. No! I'm being serious, but you can break it off a different way. Don't do it that way. Maybe get like a something else. Yeah, I don't have any screwdrivers in there. Ooh, a calculator. You mean the one that you broke in tech? I didn't let you break it. Okay, fine. Yeah, I did. But Mr. Simper still got mad. You gonna do it? Oh my God. Oh my. This has been iPhone repair. Oh shit.
I can break it, right?
Yes. As long as you take the back part off, I'm fine. I just want to fix it. Yeah, no snipping. That won't work. Oh my God. Oh! Did you see that? Oh my God, it's on fire! Dude! No, go take it to the restroom right now! Go, let's go! Oh, it's not on fire? Oh my God! Oh God. Dude, that would've that would've freaking burned my house down. Dude, I can freaking smell that. Oh my God. This has been another iPhone repair fail. Well, let's see if it works. Doesn't even turn on. I wouldn't touch it if I were you. Just get that away from my bed. Get that away! No, you take it. Oh my God. Okay. Alright, I think I should just shut the camera off, yeah? Huh? No. Don't do it. It's gonna. Oh my God! Stop right now. Pick it up. Pick it up. Yes, it was on fire. Just take it apart now. Take it apart. No, pull it with your fingers, stupid. Give me those scissors. Oh my God.
It's all warm.
Yeah, I know it's all warm. It was just on fire.
I'm not gonna...
Oh my God.
We just need to pull. Pull.
I don't want to.
You think I do?
Go. You broke it. Don't stick that in the earphone hole. Okay. Don't do that. Take it apart from the back. Thank you.
Okay, can you pull?
I hope you could take this apart.
You can. So this guy on YouTube do it.
Yeah. You're gonna be the second guy on YouTube to do it.
No way.
Yeah.
You're actually good for this on YouTube.
Yeah, sure. Dude, if that thing turns on fire, if that thing gets on fire, I will.
Yeah, it's on fire. Oh, it's
Seriously?
horrible. Yeah, it was on fire. Oh, it's on fire.
Alright, just let go. Just let go of it.
It was the battery that caught on fire. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, just let go and just pull it.
I just feel it. It's so high.
I don't want to. Alright, I'm just shutting the camera off.
No, wait.
I'll give you guys details later about what happens.
Ow.
Alright.
Hold on. I just gotta. Going to try to take the battery out. Now, I might get kill myself right now because it's caught on fire 4 times. That is hot. Okay. That is real hot. Hold on. I'm gonna try to set the camera up to where. Whoa, that doesn't want to work. Alright. We've got the iPhone. And we're taking the battery out. And it's really, really hot right now. I'm afraid I'm gonna burn myself. Holy cow, you can see where... You can see... Oh my god, it just sparked. Matt, here, you take it. It just sparked. You take it. Oh my god.
No, I'm not. I don't want to touch it.
I don't want to touch it either.
I don't wanna-
put the scissors on it and it sparked.
I don't want to touch it though.
Alright, hold on. Move the sparks. You see the spark?
Yes, I see those sparks. Just stop touching it. Stop. Stop. Ow.
The iPhone.
Stupid iPhone. Freaking Apple has to make it so difficult to take out the battery.
Now you just want me to pull?
Sure. No, you're gonna freaking tear the cords. Oh my god.
I think that's how it's melted in.
Huh?
I think that's how it's melted.
Oh my god. Wow.
Okay, what if we pull it my way?
I don't know what happened. Freaking. Oh my god.
Hold on, I see there's like sticky.
It looks so easy to put it. To take it out. Here, can we put it like on a. Maybe a fire blanket or something?
Do you have a fire blanket?
No.
I see what's making it not come out. See, it'll come out. We just need to apply force. I'm scared to apply force.
But listen to this. If my like room catches on fire,
Oh my god, it's working.
I really don't have.
Pull it up.
I can't call for an emergency because this phone doesn't work anymore. This phone doesn't work anymore. I don't want to pull it up.
Use my phone. Here, I'll
It's
have
freaking hot.
Here, let me. Here, show the people that we're serious. Alright, I have 911 dialed.
Alright, you have talk, right? Alrighty. Alright, let's just look in there.
What is that? Is it melted all the way through?
No.
Or is that a reflection? Oh, it's just a dent. Alright, ready? No, hey, focus
What?
on this part. That's the part that's gonna catch on fire right now.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to. I don't want to do that. No, don't touch it.
Well, if we-
Don't touch
if we're
it.
gonna take
Don't
out-
touch it.
if we're gonna take
Don't
out,
touch it.
this is how we're
I don't want to take it out anymore. I don't want to take it out anymore. This is my house. This isn't your house.
gonna-
Oh my god. Okay, like get this away. Get this away.
Give it away.
This phone, get it away.
I'm scared.
Pick it up. No. Okay. All right. Yes, my bed's good. Okay.
Here, we'll put it on your-
All right.
Put on some paper. Here,
All right. Okay. What now?
I don't know. You said you knew what to do.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, until I saw this. I don't want to touch it anymore.
It's all crispy.
Wow. That's not crispy. That's freaking fried.
Alright. Well, what are we gonna do now?
Let me
Like, said
see.
you knew what to do.
The touchscreen part is behind this.
Behind this?
Whoa. Okay. That's just. Oh! Oh, that it's hot! Oh, that is hot!
Not really.
Oh, it's freaking hot.